the biannual benefit Shaggy and Friends on the horizon for the first Saturday of January 2018. No lineup revealed yet, but Shaggy promising a major announcement within weeks. Meanwhile, Mr. Bombastic with this recipe for staying up to date in the high turnover music business.
Reinvention. I always try to reinvent yourself. You know, like when you go to auntie yard and you go there too often. First time you go there, she glad to see you, she cook for you, make up your bed. You stay there 2 weeks and overstay you welcome. She say, yo, make up your own bed and carry the garbage and cook your own food. Never, never, never overstay your welcome.
Hey, hey, sexy lady, what? I like your flow, what? Your body's banging, what?
If it's exciting to me, I put it out. I don't really try to connect with the way I go on. I just kind of do me. And hopefully connect.